if we have x squared equal to k, then x is equal to the square root of k, or x is equal to negative square root of k. And we can also write that as x plus or minus k. X squared is equal to 29. Let's go ahead and solve this. Go ahead and take the square root of both sides. So now we're left with x is equal to, and we can't really reduce the square root of 29 anymore. So this will be plus or minus the square root of 29. And we can write our solution like this. Example 2, again, let's go ahead and take the square root of both sides. So x is equal to the square root of negative 144. And if you recall, this will be negative 1 times 144. And the square root of negative 1 is actually going to be equal to I. So we'll be left with x is equal to plus or minus I, and then the square root of 144 is going to give us 12. So this will be x equals plus or minus 12i, and we can write our solution plus or minus 12i. Example number 3, we have x minus 8 squared equal to 24. Let's go ahead and take the square root of both sides. This will give us x minus 8 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 24. And now what we want to do is go ahead and get all our numbers to one side. So let's go ahead and add that 8 over to the right hand side. So this will give us x is equal to 8 plus or minus the square root of 24. But we're not done. We do want to go ahead and reduce that 24. So let's say 6 and a 4 will give us 24. 6 would be 3 and 2. And then 4 will be 2 and 2. And we can bring our pairs outside of our square root and then leave the other two numbers multiplied in the inside of the square root. So this will give us 8 plus or minus, and then the 2 can come out, and 3 times 2 will give us 6. So our final solution, we can say 8 plus or minus 2 square root of 6.